So what we are going to focus in this session is to learn how we can create a beautiful form with all these fields and what exactly is the method of writing, naming and providing an ID to these elements inside a form. So let's get started.
So here we are in our VS Code and we are going to create one form. Let's go started with that. Click on this and create a new HTML document. I'm going to give the name that is form.html. Okay, just close this window. Now here what we'll be doing is first take the starter template like this. So it's good to start now. I'm changing the title to form. And inside the body, the first thing is we have to write a head, let us see. So the heading here goes like, please input your information. Okay. Or what you can do also is you can have a name like contact us. Contact us, okay, as you wish. Now the next task is to have the form tag. Now this is your form tag. Whatever we are going to use, the elements are going to be inside the form tag. Now onwards, first thing is we create a label. So create a label. Inside the label, first you have to tell the attribute, that is, this label is for the name. Okay, so this is for the F name, means this is for the name field. Inside the label, now I'm just writing here first name, or if you want you can simply write name, let it be first name. After that, an input. So input box, this is your input. Inside the input there are some attributes, that is, first is type. Which type of input are you expecting? We are expecting text because the name is nothing but the text. Okay, do you want to provide any ID to this? Yes, I want to provide an ID to that. The ID will be F name. Similarly, the very important is name. Provide a name so that you can retrieve the data from this later. I am providing the name also as same F name. And one more thing, that is the BR, the break. Okay. Now coming over to the next, this is one label and one input we have created. If you want to check this, Control S, save it and go live to check that. So here we are, that is, please input your information, contact us, and the one field that we have created, a label that is first name and an input box. Okay. Now the second task here is, let's go back to the VS Code, and the second task is we are going to take the last name. This time what we can do is just start again with the label, and for the label just provide, this is for last name, L name. Okay, and last name outside. Not only that, coming over to the input box, in that situation, for the input box we are taking the type again as text, ID. Provide the ID to this. What ID are we providing? We are providing the last name, L name. Similarly, the name also is nothing but L name. So good to go. This is complete. LNAME. Fine. So this is done. Also using the BR, that is a break tag. Okay. Not only that, we can have one of the button that is we want to submit it. That is also an input format. So let's take one input. This time this input type is going to be submit. Submit. Okay. And value is equal to, what value is there? Submit. This is okay. Control S. Let's check. I have saved this. Let me show you. This is here. We got the first name, we got the last name, we got this. That is the button. That is submit button. Right now there is nothing which is working. This button is not working. That we can put it later on. And what we can decide is there are some few more things that we can do. For that, what we am taking you is, so this is your form, a very basic form that you can have.